knocking inside space capsule. In 2003, during his first solo spaceflight, Yang Liwei said he heard knocking inside his capsule, like tapping on metal with a wooden hammer, clear enough to make him stop and listen, but he couldn't tell whether it came from inside the craft or from outside. He looked out through the porthole and saw nothing that explained it. Back on Earth, he tried to reproduce the sound so engineers could identify it, but couldn't make it happen again. The story didn't stay isolated either. Chinese reports later said similar knocking was heard again on Shenzhou 6 and Shenzhou 7, with crews likewise unable to point to a cause. Over time, Yang warned later astronauts so they wouldn't panic. The main theories include expansion and contraction as the vehicle cycles through temperature extremes, small vibrations from onboard systems, or minor impacts or mechanical interactions that transmit through the hull and become audible inside. However, we don't have a 100% confirmed cause yet.